Welcome to Pharmaner. Today our drug is amitriptyline. Previously I have made videos on local anesthetic, general anesthetic, NSAIDs and opioid analgesic. You can also check out those drugs in by checking our playlist. So let's begin our today's video. My name is Dr. Muhammad Talha Miraj. These are my contact details. Generic name amitriptyline. This is the chemical formula and chemical structure of amitriptyline. Molecular formula C20H23N. Molecular weight 277.4 gram per mole. Drug category antidepressant, tricyclic antidepressant drugs. And this is the description. Amitriptyline hydrochloride is a tricyclic antidepressant with analgesic properties widely used to treat depression and neuropathic pain. Amitriptyline affects certain chemical messenger, also known as neurotransmitter, that communicate between brain cells and help to regulate mood. It was originally approved by FDA in 1977 and manufactured by Sandoz. Content: it is available in tablet and capsule form, 10 mg, 25 mg and 50 mg. Pharmacology: amitriptyline is a derivative of dibenzocycloheptadiene and a tricyclic antidepressant. Amitriptyline inhibits the reuptake of norepinephrine and serotonin by the presynaptic neural membrane in the central nervous system, therefore increasing the synaptic concentration of norepinephrine and serotonin. Due to constant stimulation of these receptors, amitriptyline may produce a downregulation of adrenergic and serotonin receptors, which may contribute to the antidepressant activity. Mechanism of action: neurotransmitters, especially norepinephrine and serotonin reuptake inhibitor, anticholinergic, absorption rapidly absorb following oral administration. Bioavailability is 30 to 60% due to the first pass metabolism. Peak plasma concentration are reached 2 to 12 hours after oral or intramuscular administration. Distribution: very highly protein bound, 95% in plasma and tissues, metabolized by hepatic CYP2C19 and CYP3A4 enzymes, metabolize nortriptyline. Excretion at 18% through urine. Route of elimination: urine. Volume of distribution: 16 plus minus 3 liter per kg through intravenous, and clearance is 39.24 liter per hour plus minus 10.18. Biological half-life from 9 to 27 hours. Indication: depression, post hepatic neuralgia. It is due to herpes. Migraine prophylaxis, eating disorders, analgesia for chronic pain. Service level category: it is only used in tertiary hospitals, scheduled D drug, and so it is not given without prescription. Dosage in adults: depression, outpatient, 25 to 50 mg per oral at sleeping, HS at night or before bed, and increase by 25 mg every 5 to 7 days to 100 to 200 mg per day. May be divided throughout the day or give at bedtime if needed. May increase to 300 mg per day. Inpatient, 100 to 300 mg per oral every day. Post herpetic neuralgia, 65 to 100 mg per oral every day for at least 3 weeks. Migraine prophylaxis, 10 mg to 25 mg per oral before every day before bedtime. 10 to 400 mg per oral is the dose range of amitriptyline in migraine prophylaxis. Eating disorders, off label, 150 mg per oral HS for 8 weeks. In pediatric patients, depression, adolescent, initial 25 to 50 mg per day per oral in divided dose, gradually increase to 100 mg per day in divided dose. Children's first 3 days 1 mg per kg per day divided after every 8 hours per oral, then 1.5 mg per kg per day divided after every 8 hours per oral. Analgesia for chronic pain, off-label use. Loading dose 0.1 mg per kg per oral before bedtime and may increase as tolerated over 2 to 3 weeks. Maintain a 0.5 to 2 mg per kg per oral before bedtime. Migraine 0.25 mg per kg per day per oral before bedtime may increase to 0.25 mg per kg per day to exceed 1 mg per kg per day. Dose range is 0.1 to 2 mg per kg per day, not exceed, and the dose should not exceed 2 mg per kg per day or 75 mg per kg per 75 mg per day. If dose is less than 1 mg per kg per day, divided dose after every 12 hours. In geriatric patient, in case of depression, 10 to 25 mg per oral HS and increase by 20 to 25 mg. Increments after every week if needed as tolerated. Dose range is 25 mg to 150 mg per day. Stability at room temperature. Contraindications: hypersensitivity, acute recovery phase following MI, concurrent use with cicapride, and also contraindicated with monoamine oxidase inhibitor. Precautions: bone marrow suppression reported. Avoid use in narrow angle glaucoma, may cause sedation and impair mental and physical abilities. Avoid the use with the drug or conditions that prolong QT interval, may cause orthostatic hypotension, may worsen mania symptoms and participate mania in patients with bipolar disorder. Clinical worsening and suicidal ideations may cause despite of medication in adolescent and young adults 18 to 24 years. Toxicity: the lowest published toxic dose in men is 714 microgram per kg per day, and ingestion of 750 mg or more by an adult may result into severe toxicity. Toxicity signs: abnormally low blood pressure, confusion, convulsions, dilated pupil and other eye problems, disturbed concentration, drowsiness, hallucinations. Antidote is activated charcoal to absorb TCA, and administration of intravenous sodium bicarbonate as an antidote has been shown to be an effective treatment for solving the metabolic acidosis and cardiovascular complications of TCA poison. Pregnancy use with caution if benefits outweigh the risk. Pregnancy category C. Avoid in lactation interactions. 641 drugs are known to be interacted with amitriptyline. 119 major drug interactions, 495 moderate, 27 minor drug interactions. Adverse effects: anxiety, anorexia, dizziness, dry mouth, ECG changes, eosinophilia, hypertension, and increased LFT values. Brand name: amylin, triptanol, and amytine. These are the references of the video. If you like today's video, you can share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.